This is our ODK expedition. We are in a place near Panvel, near Karnala Bird Sanctuary actually, and these guys have been taking care of ODK families from past 4 years apparently, and they know when they fly in, when they nest, when the fledgling starts, so they have all that knowledge. So we are here today to get some good ODK photographs. Let's see what's in store for us. यहाँ से जाना है? So there is jungle, water, stream, and everything in between. These guys have set up a hide. Very interesting thing though. Conservation is at a prime importance to these guys. I have been instructed not to be loud, not to stay for a long time, and so on and so forth. So the guy even told me one family is going to fledge and the second family is going to start nesting and feeding. We are near the place now. I definitely wonder that how the hell did these guys even find this ODK in the first place? This place could be a haven for macro photographers. However, we are on a different trip, so we're going to just focus on the kingfisher. I can see a stream, so I think we are pretty much nearby. Or maybe not. So anyways, not sure. Okay. So finally we are here near the hide. Look at the setting. Absolutely pristine. Thankfully no water bottles, no potato wafer chips packets, no such things here, thankfully, so far. That's the hide. Now we'll see what we can get. Now that we are finally here. So this is our hide. This is the location. caught a crab and from the nest so that the chicks remain safe.